Should I keep talking?
Yeah, you just go lang.
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Ana Victorino here. So Preview invited me today to surprise a subscriber for a makeover. So wala siyang idea na nandito ako and that later on I'm gonna surprise her. She just thinks that this is just a regular shoot. So let's check her out.
Hi, my name is Vanina Lily Season. I am 18 years old. I go to nursing school and I love makeup. At first, I wasn't good at it, and then I started watching beauty vloggers on Instagram and YouTube, and that's how I learned how to put on makeup properly. So she's one of the first beauty vloggers in the Philippines. Her name's Ana Victorino, and I love her so much because I think she's really talented.
Okay, so I'm here na sa elevator and we're almost there. So ayan, may meet na natin siya.
Since we're going for a fierce look today, what you'll need is a bold lipstick. What Anna used in her video was... And here we have... Oh my god!
Hello!
Oh my...
I'm Anna! Hello! How are you? How's the shoot? So the reason talaga kung ba tayo nandito is because I'm gonna do your makeup. But before we start the makeover, I just wanna ask, ano ba yung gusto mong look for today?
Glam.
Some glam.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need like
Shimmer.
contour cheeks, eyebrows and fleek. We're gonna get out of your comfort zone today.
Okay.
Before tayo mag-start, tatanggalin ko muna yung mirror.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko maging surprise siya talaga mamaya. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Since you already have like good skin, I think we can just target yung mga dark under eye circles and highlight. This is the Revlon Photoready Concealer. So what's your favorite style of makeup?
Glam makeup. That's why I watch your videos.
Oh,
like,
thank you.
Yeah. Are you
I'm
gonna
Kelsey
do a
Mary.
makeup tutorial?
Should I tell you? Yes, yes.
You should.
Yes. I'm gonna start with the Photoready eyeshadow naman. I'm gonna need some shimmer. I think I'm gonna use this parang glitter-ish. Ito yung hindi talaga nawawala pag nag-eyeshadow ako, which is yung highlighter. Yung tawag nila is parang muta. No, kasi para siyang like, yung muta ka, pero it's like a highlighter. So parang dot lang siya na gano'n. And you're just gonna blend it. And then I have here a pair of lashes, so we're just gonna put it for more flare on the eyes. Next, we're gonna do her brows to frame her face. This is the Revlon Brow Fantasy Dark Brown. What I'm looking for with eyebrow pencils or any kind of eyebrow product is when you are able to create fine lines na parang imitate niya yung hair or brow hair. And then on to her favorite part, which is the contour. We're gonna start with this Bronze Beauty number 24. It's just a powder blush with brush. Next is the blush. I'm just gonna apply this on top of her contour para ma-accentuate yung contour niya. Then on the other side. And then next is highlight. And last but not the least is I'm gonna apply her lipstick. We're gonna do is a nude lip and we're gonna apply concealer. And then we're gonna blend it. I'm applying just a little bit of seduction on her lips. And this is just a matte lipstick. Manipis lang para mabilis lang siya mag-dry. And then on top of that, lalagyan natin siya ng Gleam. This is a metallic liquid lipstick naman, and it dries out. Parang matte texture, pero this is just to kind of like hide any dry patches. And last, makeup spray. Of course, hindi ito mawawala. And we're done! Hindi pa tapos lahat ng mga surprises for today. So our team prepared some outfits for you. We are also gonna change your hair. So are you excited?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous because I don't even know how I look like yet. But it's okay, I trust you.
Let's do this! And we're done with the makeover. Now we're finally going to reveal her look. Mirror, please. Are you ready?
Mhm.
Here it is.
Oh my... Okay.
Here's your glam look. What do you think?
I love it. Thank you.
I did like some glitters on your eyes because
Yeah.
you said you wanted a glam look.
I really love the purple like under my eyes.
It's like just a pop of color right there.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
My experience at first was tiring because like I really didn't know what was happening or like what I was really supposed to do. And then when she came, parang I thought it was all worth it naman because I get to see her.
It's really refreshing for me to put makeup on someone else's face. And it's not just a client, but it's someone who is close to my heart because she is a subscriber to my channel.
Seriously, thank you.